Struggling to find quick, healthy breakfasts that actually taste good? Let's fix that today. We've got 3 delicious breakfast ideas, all under 500 calories, to kickstart your day right. First up, a creamy Greek yogurt parfait. Layer low-fat yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a protein-packed 300-calorie delight. It takes just 5 minutes. Next, try a veggie-packed egg muffin. Whisk eggs with spinach, tomatoes, and a pinch of cheese, then bake in a muffin tin. At 200 calories for 2, they're perfect for meal prep. Last but not least, a tropical smoothie bowl. Blend mango, banana, and almond milk, then top with chia seeds. This 400-calorie bowl feels like a treat but keeps you full. These recipes are simple, science-backed, and designed for busy mornings. Want to track their nutrition effortlessly? There's an app for that. Check out the tools in our bio. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments and start your day strong.